So, reflection. Reflection is probably the easiest transformation to master because all we need is one piece of information, and that is a mirror line. Let's take my friend Bumblebee here. You see that there's a vertical mirror line, so all we're going to do is reflect Bumblebee in that line. Now, when we're talking about reflection, we call the original shape the object. So here, Bumblebee is the object. When we reflect Bumblebee in the mirror line, we call this shape the image. The easiest way to remember this is that he's imaginary. He's not real, he's just a reflection, so we call him the image. Now let's go through an example on the screen. So on the screen here, we have a blue shape that we need to reflect in the vertical mirror line, indicated in red. Now when we reflect a shape, we should reflect one point at a time. And we need to ensure that each new point is the same distance away from the mirror line as the original point. So first of all, let's look at the top right point on the original shape. You'll see that this is 1 unit away from the mirror line. Therefore, on the new shape, this point has to be 1 unit away from the mirror line on the other side. The second point, the top left one, is 3 units away from the mirror line. Therefore, it needs to be 3 units away from the mirror line on the other side. We can then do this for the other points in the shape. When we have 6 points on our new shape, we can join them together, and there we have a completed image. We have reflected the blue shape correctly in the vertical mirror line. Here we have another example. This time we have a diagonal mirror line. Don't be alarmed, it's a little more tricky, but it's exactly the same. We have to reflect the shape 1 point at a time, ensuring that each new point is exactly the same distance away from the mirror line.